When the sun is blazing and you're craving something cool, this cold cucumber soup has your back. Start by roughly chopping fresh cucumber and prepping some spring onions. Add the cucumber to a blender followed by fresh basil, mint, garlic and the spring onions. Now for that signature kick, pour in a generous spoonful of Master Chow Szechuan chili oil. Balance it all out with a dash of honey, olive oil and a good squeeze of lemon juice. To make it creamy, add thick yogurt, a pinch of salt and some cracked black pepper. Blend it all until it's smooth and silky. Remember, the goal is no lumps. Pour the chilled soup into a large bowl and get ready to garnish. Top it off with cucumber slices, basil, finely chopped spring onions, a drizzle of olive oil and an extra spoonful of chili oil for that bold finish. Light, flavorful and absolutely cool, this cold cucumber soup is your new summer staple.